Good morning class first. Class is a maths workbook and we have started chapter 5th, numbers from 1 to 20. So class, this is your workbook exercises in which you have started chapter 5th, numbers from 10 to 20, in which you have understood about numbers 10 to 20. Okay, and also solve some questions. So the next question that you will solve today is, now here numbers 10, 20 and number names. Here in this page you will learn about numbering from 10 to 20. Here these are numbers, okay, in digit form, in number form, okay, and here in second question these are in spelling form, okay, with their names. So here in this question you will write the same number in all boxes. Just like in the first box you will write 1, 0, 10, okay. In all boxes you will write 10. In second you will write 11, 1, 1, 11. In third box you will write 12, 1, 2, 12. In fourth box you will write 13, 1, 3, 13. Next you will write 14, 1, 4, 14. Okay, you will write in this number in all boxes. Okay. Next is 15, 1, 5, 15. Next 16, 1, 6, 16. Next is 17, 1, 7, 17. Next is 18, 1, 8, 18. Next is 19, 1, 9, 19. And the last one is 20, 2, 0, 20. Okay, so we'll write the same number in all boxes. Now next is, this is with their names. Okay, number names with their spelling. Just like the first is 10, T-E-N, 10. So you will write T-E-N, 10 in all these three boxes. Next is 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. What is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. So we'll write 11 in all these three boxes. Next 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Okay, what is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Okay, next is 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Next 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. Next is 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Next is 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Next is 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. Next is 18, E-I-G-S-T-E-E-N, 18. Next is 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. And the last one is 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. So firstly we will learn this spelling and then write 3 times. Okay. Now this is done. Next is, now here there are some questions which are related to subtraction. Okay, you have to subtract these numbers. First is 15 minus 14. Okay, so firstly you will subtract the ones position number. So now tell me which number is at the ones position. Yes, very good. 5 and 4 is at the ones. So you have to subtract 4 from 5. Okay, so is equal to 1. Clear? And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This sign is called minus sign, subtraction sign. Okay, so 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Next is 18 minus 17. So firstly you will subtract the ones position number. Okay, you have to subtract 7 from 8. Okay, so 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next is 19 and 14. So now you have, firstly you will subtract the ones position number. Okay, 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next is 18 minus 11. So firstly you will subtract the ones position number. 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Whenever there are any number which is in 2 form, okay, 2 digit, firstly you will solve the ones position number, then you will solve the second position number, tens position. Okay, पहले हम लोग कौन सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, वंस पोजीशन वाला. ओके, उसके बाद हम लोग टेंस वाला करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 19 minus 12. So in 19 minus 12, 9 and 2 are the ones position number. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next is 12 minus 10. Okay. So firstly we will solve the ones position number. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next is 16 minus 14. So firstly solve the ones position number. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next 11 minus 10. So firstly solve the ones position number. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, 0 means nothing, so there will be no difference. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So clear class, how to this question? Firstly you will solve the ones position number, then the tens position. Okay. Now here there are some word problems. Okay, you have to read them carefully and then solve them. So the first is Sonu's mother bought 12 bananas. How many bananas? 12 bananas. She gave 5 to Sonu. Okay, from all these 12 bananas, she gave 5 bananas to Sonu. How many bananas was she left with? Okay, so firstly you will write 12 number, then you will write 5, then subtract them. Okay, you will draw lines here also. Okay, so 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So 7 bananas was she left. Okay, she was left with 7 bananas. Okay. Now next question is Annie bought 14 eggs, 10 eggs broke. Okay, how many eggs was she left with? So firstly she bought 14 eggs now, so firstly you will write 14, then 10 eggs broke, so you will write 10, then subtract them. 4 minus 0, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so here she was left with 4 eggs. Okay, how many eggs were left? Only 4 eggs. Next, there were 20 mangoes on a tree. 8 fell down. How many mangoes were left on the tree? So firstly, how many mangoes? 20 mangoes. So firstly we will write 20. Then how many were fell down? 8. 8 na? So then you will write 8. Then you have to subtract them. So firstly, you can do this question in two ways. You can also draw lines, 20 lines, then cross 8 lines. Okay. Then whatever is left, it will be the answer. And the second way is, firstly, you have to subtract the ones position number. First ones position numbers are 0 and 8, but it is not possible to subtract 8 from 0. So you have to borrow one number from this 2. Then it will be 10. Okay, 0 will be 10. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. And then this 2 will be 1. Okay, so 1 minus, there is no 1, so 1 will be 1. So 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन हो जिसमें हम जो ऊपर वाले नंबर है उसमें से नीचे वाला माइनस नहीं हो सकता, जैसे 0 में से 8 माइनस नहीं हो सकता है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस 1 से बोरो ले लेंगे, ठीक ना, उधार ले लेंगे। तब ये जो 0 है बोरो लेने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, 10 बन जाएगा। देखो ना, जैसे मैंने 10 लिखा ऊपर, अब 10 में से 8 माइनस हुआ तो कितना बचा, 2। अब जो यहाँ पे 2 था ये क्या हो गया, 1 हो गया। 1 का 1 राइट कर दें क्योंकि यहाँ नीचे कोई नंबर नहीं है। सो आंसर विल बी 12. सो 12 मैंगोज वर लेफ्ट ऑन द ट्री. नेक्स्ट इज देयर वर 19 birds on a tree. 15 flew away. How many birds were left on the tree? So firstly, how many birds on the tree? 19 birds. Okay, so firstly you will write 19. Then how many were flew away? 15. So then you will write 15. Then subtract them. So firstly you will subtract the ones position number. Ones numbers are 9 and 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and 1 minus 1, 0. So how many birds were left on the tree? 4 birds. 4 birds were left on the tree. So clear class, how to this question? And here this chapter 5th, numbers from 10 to 20, workbook exercise is totally completed. Hope you all understood very well about all these numbers, at how to write these numbers, what is the spelling of these numbers, okay, what is tens and ones, how to add them, how to subtract them. Okay, so here this is totally completed, so it's enough for the day. Thank you.